What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. I am very excited to show you today's new construction home tour. It's a beautiful 2,442 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, Gulf access home, completed in 2023. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and take you guys on the quick tour, and I'll check back in with you when the tour is over. All right, here we go. I'm excited about this one. The primary bathroom is absolutely amazing. So here we are, guys. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, Gulf access pool home. Pull that camera out just a little bit. 2,442 square feet, currently priced at $1,300,000. Disclaimer, that is subject to change depending on when you see this video. Everybody's been yelling at me to give prices. I'll put that in the description box below. Give you guys a shot of the entryway. And you're probably seeing a theme here with the slick looking tile. And this is the second home tour in so many days where we've got a den with glass doors. Not sure how everybody feels about that. Very corporate like, but I think it's pretty cool myself. So that gives you a shot of the den. We're going to come into the living area here. I didn't have to put a ton of lights on. This has plenty of natural light. Look at that ceiling fan. That is awesome. Hopefully that blows out some cold air, keep us cool in those hot summer days here in Florida. Give you guys a spin of the kitchen and the living area. I'm gonna save the primary for last. We've got our dining area here with slider access behind and right on the side there. Got a waterfall edge on the kitchen island, as well as beverage cooler if you drink wine or other beverages. Lots of cabinet space. A nice deep sink. And stainless steel appliances. Pot filler. My parents actually installed one at their house many, many years ago before it was cool, my dad says. And washer dryer, actually a full size. One of the other home tours I did, it was pretty small. They were the smallest washer dryer I had ever seen. Here we are in the beautiful 3-car garage, and we have a glass door that will take you outside. There's the canal. Plenty of storage space here. And we've got that epoxy non-slip with the speckles. So plenty of room here. I'm going to go on over to the guest bedrooms for you. And as you see here, we've got some nice cabinetry to go in your laundry room. I'm going to go into guest bathroom number 1. As you can see, beautiful LED mirror with, oh yeah, let's zoom in. There we have it. If you guys are watching my videos, you know I'm a big fan of the rain shower. I can't wait to take you to the primary. It's awesome. Interesting toilet there. You don't see many of those. And since it's the pool bath, there is a door that will lead out to the pool. I'm going to go on over to pretty standard for this bedroom here. You guys have seen enough of them to know. Decent sized closet, interesting AC vents. Those are pretty cool. as opposed to the square or rectangle ones that are 6x8 or whatever they are. Head over to this suite style guest bedroom. Give you guys a shot of the closet real quick. Decent sized closet. And here we have another guest bathroom. Not a real rain shower, but hey, we'll take it. Glass, beautiful flooring, nice tile work. It's the same tile on the floor as it is in the shower. And we've got granite with the waterfall edge there as well. Now, as I said, currently priced at 1.3, but that, depending on when you're watching this, may or may not have changed. You can always give me a call or shoot me a text and I can give you the correct price at the time. Here we are in the primary bedroom. Plenty of natural light. As you can see, I don't have any of these overhead lights or the fan light on. Tile throughout. This is your view in the morning. We've got two closets here. Walk-in closet number 1. And we've got a slightly larger walk-in on this side with your attic access. Pretty standard toilet area here, and vanity area here with tub and another sink over here. So dual sinks, and this is pretty cool. Haven't seen this in many homes here, but you've got a little shower seat with a little sprayer there. And you've got a similar one on the opposite side. Great tile work. And you've got 2 shower heads here. Give you guys a look at everything. So, amazing shower. I was very excited to show you that. Definitely a nice upgrade. I'm gonna hightail it out back and get you guys on your way. I know you don't want to spend too much time looking at houses. That's a heavy hurricane door. Had to use all that shoulder strength to get that one open. So here we have the outdoor living space. Hopefully this angle is good. Seems like my little gimbal here is constantly messing up. And if you saw the last couple videos, we talked about tape lines when it comes to drywall outside over time. This one has wood. Got nice pavers out here. Plenty of room to entertain. And this is what it's all about here in Florida, outdoor living. Beautiful pool. And an amazing outdoor kitchen. Amazing, amazing. You can have barbecues, get-togethers. You can enjoy Sunday football. Definitely a lot of things you can do out here with this living space. And just to give you a shot of the Gulf access canal real quick. And a shot of the pool. There you guys have it. I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm not going to walk down. You guys have seen Gulf access before on my videos. Just give you one more shot of the pool before we close it out. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour video of this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage Gulf access pool home. If you have any questions about this home or any of the other homes that you see on my YouTube or any home in general in Southwest Florida, feel free to give me a call and shoot me a text. If you would also, if you like this content, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. This way I can show my kids that Dad's channel actually does get some views and people don't find my content boring. I'm Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. I want to thank you again for stopping by and checking out today's video. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. I will see you on the next video.